Students, today we are going to learn division of two-digit number by one-digit number. First, we are taking 48 divided by 4. In this, 48 is dividend which will be written inside the bracket, and 4 is divisor which is written outside the bracket. So when we are dividing two-digit number by one-digit number, so because divisor is one digit, so we will divide only 4 first, not 48 together, because divisor is 1. So here also we'll take one digit to divide first. So in table of 4, 4 comes how many times? In table of 4, 4 comes how many times? 4, 1 are 4. So 1 we will write here. 4, 1 are 4. 4 will be written here. Then subtract 4 minus 4 is 0. Then we will borrow 8 down. We will borrow 8 down like this. Now we will see in table of 4, 8 comes how many times? In table of 4, 8 comes how many times? 2 times. So we will write 4, 2. 2 times will written here in quotient. 4, 2 are 8. Then 8 will be subtracted from 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So your quotient is 12. Now there is no number further, so we'll stop dividing here, and there is no remainder left down. That is 48 is divided by 4 exactly, and 12 is your quotient. Now next question, 82 divided by 2. So again 82 is dividend which is written inside, and 2 is divisor which is written outside. From 82 we'll take only one digit to divide, because 2 is one digit which is divisor. So here because 2 is one digit, so here also we'll take 8 one time, one digit. So in table of 2, 8 comes how many times? 4 times. So 2, 4 are 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we'll copy down 2 with 0. Now in table of 2, 2 comes how many times? 1 time. So 1 you will write here, and then write 2 down. 2, 1 are 2, like this. 2, 1 are 2, and then subtract. That is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So your answer is 41, because your quotient is your answer, which is 41, and the remainder is 0. Next, now a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. 936 dividend will be written inside, and 3 divisor is written outside. So here also one digit is there first to divide divisor. So here we'll take first one digit to divide. Now in table of 3, 9 comes how many times? 3 times. So 3, 3 are 9. 3, 3 are 9, and now subtract. Now 9 minus 9 is 0. Then copy 3 with 0. Now in table of 3, 3 comes how many times? 1 times. So what do you write? 3, 1 are 3, and then subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now borrow 6 down. One more number here. So you'll borrow this 6 with this 0. So now in table of 3, 6 comes how many times? 2 times. So here we'll write 2, 3, 2 are 6, and down. Now subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. So your answer is 3, 1, 12. Good morning, students. Today we are learning division of two-digit number by one-digit number. Already we have learned, but in this some special thing is there. Just see and pay attention. 96 divided by 8. So 96 is dividend which is written inside, and 8 is divisor which is written outside. So here 8 is divisor which is one digit. So here also we'll take one digit to divide. So In table of 8, 9 will not come. Earlier when we were dividing, in that you were getting the number which was there. But here, in this you can see in table of 8, 9 will not come. So, what we will say? We will say the table and see the number which is smaller than 9. In the table of 8, you will see which number is smaller than 9. So, 8 1 are 8, 8 2 are 16. Now, 2 are is 16 and 16 is bigger than 9. So, what we will do? We will take 8 1 are 8 because 8 is just smaller than 9 which comes in table of 8. So, we will write 8 1 are 8 and subtract now. 9 minus 8 is 1 and borrow 6 with 1. 9 minus 8 is 1 and then borrow 6 and it becomes 16 now. It becomes 16. So, now in table of 8, 16 comes how many times? 2 times. In table of 8, 16 comes 2 times. So, we'll write 8 2 are 16. 8 2 are 16. Now, 16 minus 16 is 0. So, your quotient is 12. Your quotient is 12. Now, next number 972 divided by 4. Now, we are dividing 3 digit by 4. But process is same. So, 972 is written inside and 4 is written outside, which is divisor. So, same 4 is 1 digit. So, here also we will take 1 digit first to divide. Now, in table of 4, 9 will not come. But we will take the number which is just smaller than 9. So, 4 1 are 4 and 4 2 are 8, 4 3 are 12. 12 you can see is bigger than 9. So, what we will take? 4 2 are 8. So, 4 2 are 2 will written upside and 8 will written here. Now, 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now, borrow 7 down. It becomes 17. It becomes 17. Now, again say the table of 4. You can see in table of 4, 17 will not come. But you will see which number is smaller than 17 just before 17. 4 1 are 4. 4 2 are 8. 4 3 are 12. 4 4 are 16. 4 5 are 20. So, you can see 20 is bigger than 17 and just before 17 is 16. You can't take 4 1 or 4 4 2 are because they are a smaller number. You have to take just before 17. The number which comes just before 17. So, that is 16. 4 4 are 16. So, we will take 4 4 are 16. 4 4 are, so 4 will be written here and 16 will be written under 17. Now, subtract 17. Here 7 minus 6 is 0. Sorry, 7 minus 6 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0, so that we will not write. So, now 7 minus 6 is 1. Now, borrow one more number because one more number is there to divide. So, we will borrow this 2 with 1. It becomes 12. Now, in table of 4, 12 comes how many times? 3 times. 4 3 are 12. So, we will write 4 3 are 12. So, here 3 in quotient and 12 minus 12 is 0. 12 minus 12 is 0. So, your answer is 243. Next number now. So, your quotient is 243 and remainder is 3. Quotient is 243 and remainder is 3. Next number. 756 divided by 7. So, now here you can see in table of 7, 7 comes. So, we can write 7 1 are 7. 7 1 are 7 and subtract now. So, 7 minus 7 is 0. Now, borrow 5. Now, you can see in table of 7, 5 will not come. See, when we are borrowing any number from up and down, when we see that number is smaller than the divisor, what we will do? If we are borrowing any number from up and then the number which is there at down is smaller than divisor, this 5 is smaller than divisor, तो 7 के table में 5 तो आएगा नहीं. तो what we will do, as this is not going, so what will take? 7 1 or 7 will not go, so we will take 7 0 or 0. What we will do? 7 0 or 0 because 7 1 or 7 7 will be bigger than 5, so we will take 0. 7 0 are 0, and then subtract. So it will be 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Then we'll borrow 6 with it and it becomes 56. Now in table of 7, 56 comes how many times? 8 times. In table of 7, 56 comes how many times? 8 times. So 7 8 are 56. And then we'll subtract now. So your answer is 0. So you can see when we are borrowing any number from up, and then when it comes down and that number then becomes smaller than 7, so what we'll do? Either we put 0 or we can divide by 0, multiply by 0. So 7 0 are 0, and then again subtract, so it becomes 5. Then again borrow next number 6 and it becomes 56. Then 7 8 are 56. So 56 minus 56 is 0. So your quotient is now a 4-digit number by 1-digit number. 7 in table of 7, now 8 will not come. So we'll take the smaller number just before 8, that is 7 1 are 7, that is 7 1 are 7. So we'll write 7 1 are 7. So it becomes 7 1 are 7. So 8 minus 7 is 0 now. Sorry, 8 minus 7 is 1. Then borrow the 0 down. Borrow the 0 down. So it becomes 10 now. Now say the table of 7 and the number which is just smaller than 7 is just smaller than 10 is 7 1 are 7. 7 2 are 14. 14 is bigger than 10. So we'll take 7 1 are 7. So 7 1 are 7. Now subtract 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Now borrow 6. The another number. Now we will borrow the 6 down. So it becomes 36. Now in table of 7, 36 comes how many times? 36 will not come. The smaller number which comes before 36 is in table of 7 is, say the table now, 7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 14, 7 3 are 21, 7 4 are 28, 7 5 are 35, 7 6 are 42. So 7 5 are 35 is just before 36, so we'll take 7 5 are 35. So now see 5 I have written here and 35 under 36. So 6 minus 5 is now 6 minus 5 is 1. 36 minus 5 is 1 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now borrow 4. It becomes 14. In table of 7 now 14 comes how many times? 2 times. In table of 7 14 comes how many times? 2 times. So here we'll write 2. 7 2 are 14. And then 14 minus 14 is 0. So now your quotient is 1152 and the remainder is 0.